Hi Sketch Lab friends, today we're going to draw a cute Mochi bunny. Let's draw. So let's start off with these two dots. They're going to determine the width of the head of this little bunny rabbit. So this is a Mochi bunny. So it's a squishy rice cake bunny that's popular in Japan. So we have a line that curves up. Now we're going to draw the cheeks. So you can see our Mochi bunny has a squishy body. Alright, let's draw those eyes. So we're going to start off with a circle. And we're going to have two white highlights inside of the eyes. So we're going to have a large circle and then a smaller circle. Now we're going to draw another circle, but we're not going to draw through the highlights. So we're going to fill that in. That'll be the pupil. Yeah, your cheeks are so squishy. Squish, squish. And the same on the left eye. This is what my grandma did to me when I was younger. She'd always want to squish my cheeks. I must have had chubby cheeks when I was younger. So for the mouth, we have these two lines that curve down. We're going to draw this big line that curves down. We have oval ears. And now we're going to do the squishy body. The squishy body. So curving a line to the right now. Okay, we're going to draw a little oval shaped foot. And another one on the left hand side. Finish that line for the body that curves down. And now we have his little arms. And now we're going to add little eyelashes. Add that little nose. Good job, guys. We did it. If you want to add some more details, maybe add some rosy cheeks, maybe a pattern. Good job, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.